All right, so let's move on to our omelet. We have some chorizo, we have our Monterey Jack cheese, we have our eggs, of course. I'm actually gonna put the chilies in with the chorizo, why not? You know, one of the things about jalapenos is sometimes they're hot and sometimes they're not as hot. You know, it's just one of those things. So it's important to kind of give them a taste and let you know how spicy they are. So we're just gonna cook those just a little bit. They don't have to be cooked very well. And then maybe some fresh cilantro. Coarsely chopped. Then we have our flour tortillas. So we're gonna wrap our omelet to go. It's basically an edible wrapper for your omelet. It's kind of a cool idea. Thanks for telling me about the muffins. These are good. I'll let these cool, and they'll actually keep cooking a little bit, you know, until they're stone cold. So now we can actually start making our omelet. Put a little bit of unsalted butter for our omelet. Start with our eggs, of course. Just about a ladleful. And then some salt and pepper. You want to get the eggs to set. So all the eggs kind of cook on the side of the pan like that. Then it's gonna take some chorizo, a little bit of chorizo, and right down the center, some of the chilies, some Monterey Jack cheese, and some cilantro. And get it set like this. Just flip our omelet over. If you want to get it even more sort of perfect, this is sort of a restaurant trick. Just kind of put a towel over it, just squeeze it like that. So obviously you can serve your omelet just like that, but if you want to take it on the go, we can actually wrap it in an edible wrapper or a tortilla. And I put it on top of the stove here just to kind of get it a little bit pliable, a tiny bit warm. Just takes a couple seconds. All right, we take our omelet. Just fold it around. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of wax paper. Fold it in the wax paper, and we can cut it this way you can take it on the go. That's really satisfying, and it's the chorizo that makes it. You know, that spicy pork sausage with the spicy jalapenos.